Just for you, me and Craig have come back. We've got a scary pumpkin on a fire. We've got loads of stuff to burn. And we're going to light it with a flare. So. Happy bonfire night, everyone. Here's one of these.
It's going now.
Here's one of these ones that goes up in the air on a parachute and then comes down slowly. Let's see what happens, shall we?
Yes.
How cool is that? Please don't burn the world down.
Yeah. It's quite far away, I think.
In the river?
Yeah.
I won't worry about that.
It's quite bright over there. Well, what do you reckon of that? That's good, wasn't it?
Well, pirates, I weren't quite expected that. Right, okay. Oh, anyway, we'll the stuff on the old fire, so in a minute that is going to be going and good, and we'll just give you a final update in a minute, but it's a pirate's life. She's getting going now, pirates. There's a whole big lump, hasn't even caught yet, but it is really getting going now. Loving it. Absolutely loving it. Excellent. Well, from Captain Craigus and myself, Craig.
Yeah.
Is it a pirate's life?
It's a pirate's life for me.
Arr.